Well, we've learned friends plus 5. Now we're going to learn friends minus 5. The same friends are related to each other, 1 and 4, 2 and 3. The formulas are just different. We use the concept of friends minus 5 when we need to subtract a number, 1 through 4, and do not have enough beads to move away from the beam. So, for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, we're going to use minus 5 friends concept and formulas if we cannot do simple. Remember, 1 and 4, 2 and 3. So, for friends minus 5, we change the order of the formula a little bit. Instead of the 5 appearing at the beginning of the formula, it is the last thing we say, minus 5. And we also move the beads up together because we are subtracting the 5 and adding the friend. And we do it, once again, we do it at the same time. So let's practice saying the formulas for minus 5 friends together. As it appears on the screen, say it with me, please. Ready? Minus 1 equals plus 4 minus 5 up together at the same time. Minus 2 equals plus 3 minus 5 up together at the same time. Minus 3 equals plus 2 minus 5 up together at the same time. Minus 4 equals plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time. See the pattern? The same as friends plus 5. We're just subtracting a number. So 1 is a friend of 4, 2 is a friend of 3, and they work together to subtract a value. Let's go to the video and see how we move the beads. Let's work on some minus 5 friends problems together. Our first problem, 6 minus 3. So we say plus 6 pull together at the same time. Minus 3, can we pull 3 beads away from the beam? No, we don't have enough beads. So we move to friends minus 3 formula, which is minus 3 equals plus 2 minus 5 up together at the same time. Our answer? 3. Good. Clear. Next question, 8 minus 4. Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Now we have to subtract 4. Do we have enough beads for simple to subtract 4? No. So we have to go to minus 4 friends formula. Our minus 4 friends formula, plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time. Our answer? 4. Next problem, plus 5 minus 4. Plus 5, finger down. Minus 4, do we have beads to subtract away from the beam? No, so we have to move to friends. Our friends formula for minus 4 is plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time. 5 minus 4 is 1. Clear. Next problem, 5 minus 3. Plus 5, finger down. Minus 3, do we have the beads? No, we have to use friends. Minus 3 friends formula, plus 2 minus 5 up together at the same time. Answer? 2. Clear. Next problem, 6 minus 2. Plus 6, pull together at the same time. Minus 2, we don't have enough beads for simple. So now we have to use our minus 2 friends formula, which is plus 3 minus 5 up together at the same time. Our answer? 4. Clear? Our last problem is 5 minus 1. Plus 5, finger down. Minus 1, we do not have any beads to move away from the beam, so simple will not work. We move to friends. Our friends formula for minus 1 is plus 4 minus 5 up together at the same time. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now, let's work on some longer problems. Let's start with plus 8 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So, plus 8 pull together at the same time. Minus 4, do we have enough beads for minus 4? No, so we move to friends. Formula for minus 4 friends, plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time. Plus 2. We must use friends, so plus 2 equals plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time. Plus 1, thumb up. Answer? 7. Clear. Next problem. 6 minus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Plus 6, pull together at the same time. Minus 4, need to use our friends formula. We cannot do simple. So minus 4 equals plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time. Plus 3, don't have the b's to do 3 for simple. So plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. Now, plus 2, thumb up. Our answer? 7. Next problem, 1 plus 4 minus 2 plus 5. Ready? Plus 1, thumb up. Plus 4, friends. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Minus 2, must use friends. Plus 3 minus 5 up together at the same time. Plus 5, finger down. Our answer? 8. Clear. Next problem. Plus 2 plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 4, have to use friends. Plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Minus 3, have to use friends. Minus 3 equals plus 2 minus 5 up together at the same time. Plus 1, thumb up. Answer? 4. Congratulations, you've just learned minus 5 friends. Practice, and then you will be ready for lesson 3.